Hi guys, today I'm going to be doing a review on the Vivienne Westwood 1-row pearl drop necklace choker. So this is the box that it comes in. It's just a gray box, and it just says Vivienne Westwood. This does come with a thank you card, but I didn't bring that. I left that at home. I'm actually filming this at work. So okay, you open it and it's just like that. It comes with the cards of authenticity, and the way it comes is like this. And then you slip it out and it's folded right down the middle, and it just has the Vivienne Westwood logo. And then behind here it just has information about the choker, like how it's handmade and how you take care of it, and just how to clean it up as well. So this choker now, so it just comes in a little drawstring pouch, and this is a choker. It's really pretty. It's Swarovski pearls. It's really nice. Under the orb there's actually a detailing that says Vivienne Westwood. You're not going to be able to see it because I'm filming on my iPhone, but it says Vivienne Westwood. And then the way you clasp it is this little oval goes inside here. I'm not sure if you saw that, but it just goes like that, and then that's how it stays tied in. So there you go. That's how you see it. This little thing inside the little circle, and it's really easy to put on. I'm gonna go ahead and demonstrate how easy it is. It's probably harder because I'm filming or because I have these long nails, but it's super easy. And that's what it looks like. It just falls really nicely on your neck, and it's super easy to come off like that. You don't even need a mirror or anything. This actually detaches fairly easily, so I will be going to get a new clasp on it if it's possible. Once all the stores open, I'm gonna go ahead and see if that's possible. If it's not, then I will just be very careful whenever I wear it out, and only wear it to like smaller occasions, not like to bars or clubs, because if I lose this, that will be a waste of $310. I'm not sure if I mentioned that. It is $310. I think it's worth it. It's really nice. You can wear it all the time. I've only worn it once, but it's a super pretty choker. I'm gonna go ahead and leave it on for you guys, and that's how it falls, like that. So it's super pretty. I like it a lot, and I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Bye.